In this video, we're going to explore the settings for an app using our software. We'll start by clicking on the Settings option. Next, click on Admin, and here, we're going to delve into the app settings. Within the app settings, you'll find the app URL, version, and force update settings. Let's start with the app URL. This is where you'll see the Android app URL. You'll need to add the URL that appears on our website. This Android client app URL is for the Android user app. Similarly, we input the Android driver app URL here. It's the same process for the iOS app URL. Add the URL for the client, then for the iOS driver app. These URLs are visible on the web and provide easy access to your customers and clients for direct app download from the Play Store or App Store. Once you've added the URLs, click on the Update button. Next, let's discuss the Force Update settings. Click on the Force Update, then the Edit button. You'll see a toggle option for Android and iOS customers and drivers. When you make any changes or fix bugs in the app, you can toggle this setting on. This will force users to update their app to the latest bug-free version. You can do the same for the driver app, as well as for the iOS customer and driver apps. Once you're done, save the Force Update settings by clicking on the Save button. The last setting we'll cover is the app version. Click on the Edit button to see the Android and iOS customer and driver app versions. In this case, the initial choice is for the Android customer app version. Android users utilizing our app can view the app version within the application. After that, the second option pertains to the Android driver app version. Android users who use our app can check the app version within the application. Following that, the iOS customer app functions similarly to the Android customer app version, but it's exclusively visible to users of our iOS custom app on iOS devices. Finally, we can check the iOS driver app version. It operates similarly to the iOS customer app version, but it's only visible to users of our driver iOS app on iOS devices. When you're finished, save your changes by clicking on the Save button. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video guide has been helpful.